These are best friends. Mr. Ganga and what's his name? Ron. Pitbull.
He's already done.
See, your dog eat a lot. Gee, I don't see dog eat that much. Eat too much.
That's not that much. Are you done, Mr. Kaka? All done?
This is the kitty cat. Want some more food? No more for you.
And they both like the camera.
Don't lick my camera. Let me see your face. Ugly face, doggy. Gee, they empty the bowl. What's wrong with them? They must be hungry. Somebody don't feed the kitty cat.
Whatever.
Yeah.
They eat all the time. Especially the cat. Eats too much.
Where are my cats who eat a lot? Hey, what do you want, Ross? You want some more? No more food for you, okay?
What do with that carpet? I'm going to take it back to Mom's house. What are we going to do with this carpet?